All right, so our first one that we're going to do is hydrochloric acid, HCl. This is actually the stuff that you use in our class, right? The stuff that stings you when it touches your hand. So this is hydrochloric acid. It's basically a hydrogen, one hydrogen atom, and one chlorine atom combining together. All right, so just like last week, right? The first thing that we always do is go to our handy dandy periodic table. I see H is over here, chlorine is over here, so I know that hydrogen has one valence electron, chlorine has 7, right? So you go here, hydrogen has 1, and then chlorine has 7, right? And as a rule of thumb, remember, you always want the outer rings to be full, right? In a covalent bond, what we look for, since they're sharing electrons, is you look for the ones that are just unpaired, right? So this one's not paired, right? Every other one has pairs. So if I look, this green one's not paired, this red one's not paired up. So then all I have to do is put a rubber band around it to show that they're sharing those electrons. So those two electrons go back and forth between the two atoms, and that's perfectly fine for this one, right? As you're going through. Now remember, this is not like an ionic bond where I have to put the brackets around, and the reason why is because this time around, the hydrogen isn't actually physically giving away its electron, so the atom hasn't changed. The number of protons and electrons are still the same for the most part, right? As a whole. So that's the reason why we don't have to use brackets and all that kind of stuff. Okay, so when we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, chlorine is happy. Hydrogen, 1, 2. Remember, hydrogen is the very first period, so it only needs 2 electrons to be happy. So we're good. All right, let's move on to the next one.